Hey friends, welcome back to our channel Super Child. So today we'll be talking all about farm animals, how they are useful to us and how their products are useful in our day-to-day life. Friends, farm animals are domesticated animals that are raised on farms for various purposes. Yes, why are farm animals raised? For producing meat, also for milk production, and mainly for generating income. The most important, goat. Goats are milked and the milk from them can be used to create cheese, butter, yogurt and even soap. So goats are very useful. Pig. Pigs are reared on farms for their meat. We get pork, bacon and sausages from pigs. The next one is dog. They keep watch over the animals day and night, making sure no sneaky predators come around. Yes. Hen. Hens are primarily used for their eggs and meat, which are a significant source of food for humans. Also duck. Ducks in particular have been domesticated to be exploited for their feathers, eggs and meat. All ducks have highly waterproof feathers. That's for what ducks are being domesticated. Rooster. A male chicken is called a rooster. They are responsible for the early morning cock-a-doodle-doo, one of the many fun noises kids will learn about from farms. Cock-a-doodle-doo. The next one is cow. They live on farms and provide us with milk, which is used to make dairy products like cheese, butter, yogurt and even ice cream, which kids loves a lot. The next one is donkey. Whether it's plowing, harvesting, transporting crops or water, donkeys are often used for farming across low-income countries. So, donkey is majorly used for plowing, harvesting and transporting. Sheep. Sheep are known for their woolly coats, which can be shorn and processed into textiles. They are also raised for meat and milk production. Sheep. That's for what sheep are being used. Horse. Horses also live on the farm and help the farmer with their day-to-day work. Yes, for carrying, transportation and many other things. Rabbit. Rabbits are basically reared for meat, fur and wool. That's for what rabbit is being domesticated. Cat. Farm cats, often referred to as barn cats, help control rodent populations by hunting mice, rats and other pets that are threatened stored grains or feed. Yes. So cat eats rat. Geese. Female geese lays eggs just like chickens. Male geese are called ganders and baby geese are called goslings. Chicken. Chickens are versatile farm animals raised for their eggs, meat, pest control and manure, which serves as an excellent natural fertilizer. Friends, did you know all the animals? Please explain. Please write in the comment section. Friends, do you know any other? Tell us more. Also write this in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.